My name is Lauren, and this is my Schweitzer Fellowship journey. My original project started as a community garden that was going to be the basis of nutrition education for families. I partnered with Frank Porter Graham Bilingual Elementary School to work with their students. Unfortunately, the pandemic hit at the same time I was starting, so my project took on many different forms. First, it was a home gardening kit that families could take and take care of over the summer. They got journals and YouTube videos that accompanied the kits. Then, because I was hoping that real-time engagement would be more helpful, I started a nutrition club over a virtual format. However, Zoom fatigue was really real for these students, and it just didn't work the way that I had hoped. So I had to redirect again. I went back to my roots, and now what we're doing is home garden kits, but I'm also using platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram for educational content. It was easy to feel defeated when obstacles came my way, but I was so determined to try and do my best for this project. Throughout my time, I have learned to pivot and listen to the communities that I'm trying to serve in order to fit their needs better. These obstacles were great reminders that sometimes big ideas don't work, but that doesn't mean that it's not worth having them. It has been an honor to learn and grow during my time as a Schweitzer Fellow. Thank you for taking time to listen to my journey.